of the club slogan would be technology owes ecology and ecology. This is a rhythmic tone which will surely attract people, and first of all, what we are here talking about is the technology. Right now, in this world, we are having everything which is making us comfortable. A single tree can produce hundreds of matchsticks, and a single matchstick can destroy hundreds of trees, forests, everything. We are making our life comfortable. Technology is making our life comfortable. But the thing is that technology is destroying our ecology for futures to come. This is 21st century. Okay, thanks.
Club is related to environment. Everybody knows about the global effects we are facing, be it greenhouses, be it global warming, be it depletion of the water table, be it land erosion. The solution is simple: plant trees. And so we got with the slogan, plant today, save tomorrow. Because what are we going to give to our future generations? We are going to give them a better earth. And how do you do that? Just by planting trees. So we are not, for Eco Green Club is already talking about everything, a lifeline of future. But what is a lifeline of future? How do you do it? Just by planting trees. So plant trees and you get solution to everything, be it soil erosion, be it greenhouse effect, be it land cover. Because once you have a proper land cover, rainfall is going to happen, water table is going to get better. So one simple solution for all problems is plant trees. That's what I said, plant today, save tomorrow.
Thank you, Anupam.
So our slogan is heal the planet Earth, go greener, go better. So there is it is already proven that global warming is done due to the human interference. The activities of humans like deforestation, then there is what we say. There's a deforestation.
The slogan is, we want our planet clean. The solution is eco-green. Well, in an era where the world is facing threat from environmental calamities like deforestation, depletion of the ocean layer, and eutrophication, Eco Green Club is the only club at the island that takes on the endeavor to make Mother Earth a better place to live in. It takes on the challenge to clean the campus and to clean the surroundings. Thank you.
Let's take the first phase for the future life. The explanation is as Eco Green Club is taking initiative on all of the substantial necessity of our life, that is land, water, air, electrical, flora and fauna. So we should try to save it for the future, make it, form it and groom it like own. So go green and be futuristic, that's all.
Thanks, Rohit. And I find all.
What's your slogan? Our slogan is let's take the first phase for the future of the life. I said it in the starting only.
Is it? Yeah.
I said it.
Not a problem.